Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And as we were talking about market share for Windows, in the consumer market in general, it's having a rough ride and the adoption rate is really slow. But it's the complete opposite on Steam with gamers. Gamers, in the month of November, if we look at the numbers, Windows 11 actually gained 4% at almost 53%. While Windows 10 lost 4% at 43.3%. So this shows that enthusiasts and people that are gamers that often are a little more advanced, and also gaming means that you have more modern hardware. Windows 11 is actually growing fast. So it seems like gamers love Windows 11 or just want to move on. They're curious. I used to have, I have a gaming laptop, but I used to have a gaming desktop, where I would change my graphics cards and all of that over time. And I remember I was always happy to be at the latest Windows all the time. And a lot of gamers are in that mode where, and there's some advantages. We've seen some advantages in gaming on Windows 11 that seems to perform better. So I guess gamers are just going there and happy to move on compared to the regular user that just doesn't want to move on to Windows 11. So interesting numbers when we look at it. For the rest, if we look at the Windows versions, it's 96.5% of all gamers on Steam are on Windows. So it shows the dominance of Windows in gaming. 1.4% on a OS X or OS X for Mac. 2.03% for Linux distros. So this is pretty much stable. Plus 0.03 is not really a move. So interesting numbers, but interesting to see that gamers really move on to the new operating system. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.